on the coastline of Isle Saint Hubert. Something lurks in these waters. Mosasaurus. Spinosaurs also rule the seaside. They are the apex predators of the amphibious dinosaurs. Mosasaurs and Spinosaurs almost never come in contact. This is a Skeletiosaurus. It stupidly tries to drink the salt water. And the Mosasaur watches. The Mosasaur attacks, biting him and trying to pull him down. He has him in his mouth, and so he takes him down. Now he swims away. Dunkleostes also lives here. This is an amphibious velociraptor, meaning it can swim. That's something that the scientists on Isle Saint Hubert thought of when cloning dinosaurs. Another ruler of the sea is the plesiosaurs. But amongst all the sea life, there's a predator. Suchomimus. This Suchomimus is out for a hunt, and he spots the Dunkleostes, and he attacks, throwing him onto the shore and taking him back down. But there isn't only one Spinosaur. There's multiple. These two Spinosaurs are mates. And they are traveling to some hot springs. And they've spotted the hot spring. And so they warm up to their new home. But something on land walks. A baby Parasaurolophus. But step too close to the water. The Spinosaur is attacking, and he pulls him down and eats him. This Gallimimus stupidly tries to drink the salt water, while a plesiosaur awaits. The plesiosaur attacks, grabbing his neck and pulling him underwater.